Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're fascinated by the world of machine learning but feel a bit lost when it comes to understanding how these complex models work, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic called LIME, which stands for Local Interpretable Model-Agnostic Explanations. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what LIME is and why it's essential in the realm of artificial intelligence and data science. So, let's get started. But here's a question for you. Have you ever wondered how we can make sense of predictions made by complex machine learning models? Whether it's a recommendation for a movie or a diagnosis from a medical model, wouldn't it be helpful to know why a model arrived at a specific decision? That's where LIME comes in. So, what exactly is LIME? In simple terms, LIME is a technique designed to explain the predictions of any machine learning model in an interpretable way. The beauty of LIME is that it can be applied to any model, hence the term model-agnostic. This means that whether you're using a decision tree, a neural network, or a random forest, LIME can help shed light on how these models make decisions. Let's break it down. Imagine you have a complex model that predicts whether a patient has a certain disease based on a variety of factors. This model might take into account age, weight, blood pressure, and many other variables. While this model might be highly accurate, it can be incredibly challenging to understand why it makes a particular prediction for an individual patient. Now, this is where LIME comes in. LIME works by approximating the complex model with a simpler, interpretable model, like a linear regression or decision tree, around the instant you want to explain. Essentially, it looks at the predictions of the model for slightly perturbed versions of the input data, creating a new dataset that represents local behavior. Let's say we're using a model to predict if a customer will buy a product based on features like age, income, and previous purchases. If the model predicts that a 30-year-old with a high income is likely to buy the product, LIME can help us understand this prediction. It could reveal that age and previous purchases are the most influential factors in that specific case. So, instead of just getting a yes or no from the model, we gain insights into why that decision was made. This is incredibly important for several reasons. First, it builds trust. If stakeholders can understand why a model is making certain predictions, they're more likely to trust and adopt the technology. Second, it helps in identifying biases. If LIME reveals that the model disproportionately favors certain age groups or income levels, we can make necessary adjustments to ensure fairness. Lastly, it aids in debugging. By understanding the model's decision-making process, data scientists can fine-tune their models for better accuracy. Now, let's talk about how LIME actually works in practice. LIME generates a local surrogate model for each prediction by following these steps. 1. Perturbation. It creates a dataset of perturbed samples by altering the features of the instance we want to explain. 2. Prediction. It uses the original complex model to predict outcomes for these perturbed samples. 3. Weighting. It assigns weights to these predictions based on how similar they are to the original instance. 4. Training the surrogate model. Finally, it trains a simple, interpretable model on this newly created dataset to approximate the complex model's behavior in that local region. And there you have it! LIME provides a clear way to interpret individual predictions, giving us a clearer window into the black box of machine learning. To wrap it all up, LIME is a powerful tool in the field of machine learning that helps us understand the predictions made by complex models. By providing local interpretable explanations, it enhances trust, identifies biases, and aids in model improvement. As machine learning continues to evolve, tools like LIME will play a crucial role in ensuring that these technologies are transparent and fair. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the fascinating world of AI and data science. Have any questions about LIME or other machine learning concepts? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.